So Spearmint Patch is further up the road enough that it's separated from Creekside Hollow and Applewood. It's really truly its own site. All right, welcome to welcome to Spearmint Patch. So Spearmint Patch is named because it is completely surrounded by just a ton of horehound, which is very spearminty. It's all in this area and will start coming up sometime in April, May. Makes this whole campsite just smell incredible. It has this gravel pad, which is fairly level. It's maybe just a couple degrees off, as well as this level grass pad. One of our best fire pits, and some extended area for further tent camping or hammocks. It's a really nice spot, one of our most well-developed, definitely one of our most well-booked. That might be there until May or June. So if you want to come play in the snow in June, we're the place to come, I guess. So Spearmint Patch is probably in the middle of the property. It's definitely far enough away from the entrance that you really shouldn't expect to have too many other visitors coming up here, except for the other locals that live back on the property. And we're gonna head from here a little further across the road. We have an extended area over here for some tent camping with Spearmint Patch that you can see. It's not quite perfectly level. We're gonna get an excavator in here. It's up on this portion here on the right, the best. But we're gonna get that leveled up there and either turn that into a secondary camping site or continue to make it part of Spearmint Patch. But you can use it if you're currently renting Spearmint Patch, if you needed to sprawl out. I'm gonna head up now to the paddock